Jigay. And of course, with our own chef, alright?
Ano? Chef Ragis.
Chef-chefan.
Chef-chefan.
And then, so, there you go. That's how you cook the kimchi jjigae. May may K-pop Franny. Oh, yan ang kanya mga ingredients. So, let's go. Yes. Isa natin yung onion, kahit di pa mainit yung mantika. That's how you go when your time is limited.
Yeah.
You have to
Because break time is limited.
multitask. Hindi pa talaga mainit yun.
Oh.
Yes. Of course, I'm the assistant of
For that, ito
chef.
muna. Pinala yung tubig.
This is kimchi.
Yeah, kimchi.
Kimchi gay.
Yes, kimchi is the next. Kimchi. One.
Then mix.
Mix.
Ako lang po yung tagagulo dito sa kanya.
And then,
Okay? You know the drill. Okay? Next is sugar.
sugar na ba?
Sa'yo, ayusin ko yan. Ikaw nagluluto niya. Okay, di pa siya sigurado. Tubig daw muna. Char.
Tubig. Sige pa.
Ano yung future chef to eh. Future chef.
Tubig.
Is it enough? Kailangan na niya ng help natin.
Tumulong na si Donna.
A little bit of soy sauce.
Matansya. Yan.
Okay, mix it up.
Mix.
Okay, para magkakulay. Okay, go. There you go. That's enough.
Okay.
Okay, taste it. Okay.
Okay.
Another salt. Okay, more salt. Taste it. And ito na yung next. Pakukuluin lang muna. Okay.
Hindi na yung iba.
Okay. Okay. Ayan. Very good.
Ito. Ngayon pa lang ito, diba? Ito tayo nagaluto. Kasama pa. Ito. Isuga, ginagawa pa natin kasi. Ito natin ngayon kung nasa kasi kain sila para masarap.
Hey. Yummers.
Yan ang aming dinner
And our
ngayon.
chef.
Yan, bawal natin siyang ihalo para maganda itsura niya. Yan, pabagod na.
And these are the mess.
Yeah.
Mm.